everyone, welcome back to my channel where you can usually find me making over some part of my 400 square foot apartment. Today I am trying something out that I'm very excited about. Now if you haven't seen my last couple of videos, I did redo my tiny little bathroom to make it a spa oasis despite the lack of the bathtub. However, today I figure why not bump it up a notch with a little bit of home gadgetry. Now, I don't know if you've seen any of my home gadgetry commentary videos, but I really like going on Indiegogo or Kickstarter to see what's new and what's fresh out there. And I found something that I thought would really improve my daily life. I don't know much about it, but I know that I wanted it. So I saved up and I got one of them, and it's called the Tushy. I'm very excited. Listen, I don't know everything there is to know about bidets. I am not a professional bidet reviewer. However, what I do know is that Tushy is very affordable. So instead of buying a bidet for like 200 plus, this one starts at $85, which is awesome. I have the basic version. It ran for I think $100 because I got a bronze knob. I thought it would go really well with the color of my walls. But if you don't know what a bidet is, it cleans your butt. And whatever else you want it to clean, it's just a stream of water. I've only ever experienced a bidet once in my life, and I was in Italy, and it was glorious. It felt very refreshing and clean, and I was like, this is the future. I know lots of other countries already have this as like a standard of living, but I figured why not make my little bathroom even more special? I am not good with like handy stuff, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this in right. I'm hoping that I don't break everything in my bathroom that I've worked so hard for. Fingers crossed. I mean, at the very least, like, Tushy does sell their product as something that anyone can install, particularly the basic version of it. I think there's two versions. There's a basic version that just allows for like one stream of water at different pressure points. And if you want, you could get the Tushy Spa, which is a little bit more expensive, but it also allows for you to have a temperature controlled spray, which does sound luxurious, but I'm definitely, I don't need all that. But B, I don't need to I can't do all that attaching and doodads and hiding the wires. It just sounds too stressful for me. So I'm really excited to try doing this. I'm going to bring you along with me. I have under 100 subscribers, so you know that I'm not sponsored, nor have I been sent this product or asked to review or any of this stuff. I just bought it because it looked exciting to me. So I figured I'd show you guys the website just because it is so trendy and easy to navigate. Their color palette's very sweet and modern. I really like these pale colors. They have a Tushy Classic, a Tushy Spa, and a Tushy Travel. This is the one that I ended up getting. So this one is a little bit easier to install because you only have to install it to the back of your water tank. If you do the Tushy Spa, you have to also hook it up to your sink in your bathroom because that allows for the warmer water. But this is priced. The bamboo is really cute. They have different colors, the white silver. Yeah, so the cheapest one is the white gold at the moment. I don't know if they run any specials or anything to change that, but I really like that color. I actually think it's really cute. They have bronze, which I ended up getting. And they even have ones with variant colors of the actual base as well. This is the Tushy Spa. This also has the warm water, so you can actually change the exact temperature of the water as well as the exact pressure and angle. And they also have some other colored knobs, albeit they are a little bit less color variation than the classic. They have a couple of Tushy Ottoman, that's ridiculous. But they have a bunch of other different types of products that are for the toilet as well. I have saved this box to actually open it in front of you so that I could give you a real reaction of how I feel about the product. So it is a very eco-friendly brand because it is meant to save on toilet paper. So I find it cool that it is packaged entirely in cardboard, and then this looks like a natural fiber as well. And then it does have instructions on the side, just like pamphlet-y things on the back. So saying why the product's good and how to install it, I think. And then some like snazzy recommendations by the New York Times and a real pooping human, apparently. Let's get this potty started, guys. That's what it said. I didn't do that. See, tiny apartments are good for things like that. Need a knife? It's right behind you. So we're just gonna open this up. Ooh, paper. And I'm assuming the product inside. It is minimal amounts of packaging. Ooh. Wow. So I don't mind that brushed look. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look. I actually think it's kind of cool, but it doesn't look like that on the website. That's something for you to know, but I don't mind that at all, actually. It comes with the wire, that I'm already dropping. This is not a good omen for the rest of this. Looks like this is some plumber's tape. Imagine these are like tools, or maybe a little wrench, some washers or something. Oh, that doesn't look good for me. We'll see. So the first thing is turn off the water valve. Yeah, and this is like what I'm worried about. But we're just gonna do that. If I can do this, literally anyone can do this. So wish me luck. This is fine. This is gonna be fine. Step one is I need to lock this up. So let's make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, that was surprisingly not hard. The first one actually wasn't that bad. And it might be because I have a newer bathroom or like a newly redone bathroom. So it wasn't like calcified as stated in the instructions. So the second one is to empty a toilet tank. Flush your toilet to drain the tank completely. Hold down the flusher until the tank empties nearly completely. A couple of inches of water at the bottom of the tank is okay though. Okay. This. Wow, this is really intimate with my toilet. So we're gonna listen to what they say. That looks good, I guess. So that's how much water's in the toilet. And this is how much, oh, it's kind of gross to see that, but you can see that like there's no more water pouring through the center there. So that's gotta be good, right? All right, so step 3 is to remove the toilet seat, and you flip up the screw caps behind the seat with a flathead screwdriver to access the screws. You may need to hold the bolt on the underside of the screw with your other hand while unscrewing. Remove the seat and set aside. I can do this. Okay, so step 3 completed. Step 4. Disconnect the existing flexible hose from the toilet tank by turning it counterclockwise, disconnecting it from the bolt under the tank. And then for B, attach the flexible hose to the bottom of the mega adapter, then screw the top of the mega adapter clockwise onto the tank connection. Be careful not to over tighten, which I would absolutely do. And then for C is attach the flexible steel hose to the mega adapter side connection. I know that typically for like watery stuff, you put the plumber's tape when you do the screws ins. I'm a professional, but I don't see that listed. All right, let's try. Just need this, I think, because I do have extra parts, but I think this is if you A, had a different toilet or like a different part of the thing. I don't know. I think it's this. Please be this. Ooh. Okay, and then I think this goes in like so. Yeah? I think I'm gonna wrap this in plumber's tape. I don't know if that's right, but I put some plumber tape on here, and now I'm gonna just put this into this. And now I'm gonna use this to boop this. Sorry about my nails. Boop this in here, but I can't do it on camera. All right, so now I'm gonna plumber tape this guy up just a little bit, and then I'm gonna boop this hose into this. That looks pretty good, right? Step number 5, finishing up the water connection. So hand tighten the other end of the flexible steel hose to the connection under your tushy. Use a wrench to tighten if necessary. Make sure all the connections are secure and turn on the water supply. Do not forget to check every connection for leaks. Okay, let's try. Ah! So the bidet absolutely works. It just sprayed across my bathroom. Make sure that your bidet is turned off before you turn on the water. Also, there's leaks, so I'm gonna go get a wrench. This thing is strong, but we're gonna move on to attaching to the bowl, which is step number 6. You place the tushy on top of your toilet, line up the sliding feet fasteners with the holes in between the bowl and the tank used for mounting the toilet. Place the rubber pads provided in the box, that's what those loose pieces were that I was worried about, over the holes on the toilet and place them on top of for extra grip to limit seat movement. Oh, the person who installed this, like the actual toilet the first time, didn't do it right because my toilet seat always moved around. Now I know. Thanks, Tushy. You guys are so close to my toilet right now. This is very intimate. We're gonna get these bros, and I think they go on top here to keep things like in place, you know? Cool. Oh, you know what I'm missing? The whole toilet seat. So now we're gonna go ahead and plop the toilet seat on, which is harder to do with a tripod, but nothing's impossible if you try. Okay, I see. It's supposed to fit in the little hole. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. That feels great. I'm not even to the bidet part. And now I have these guys, which I will install underneath. Guys, look, I did it. Haha, gotcha. All right, here comes the moment of truth. I'm going to try it out. I'm a little bit scared because when it sprayed on me earlier, it was a hell of a spray. So I'm a little bit nervous about this. Definitely gonna go down as one of the weirder videos I've ever done. Let me show you the controls so you know what it looks like from this perspective. This is the way that it looks like when you're sitting down. This looks like it's the angle, and then this side is like cleaning you, and this side is cleaning the machine. I also really like this pretty brass detailing. Hi Floof, what's up? It matches Floof's size actually. So I'm gonna try at like the lowest. This feels so wrong. At the lowest setting. I'm so scared. Ah! Okay. Is anything leaking? I'm checking if anything is leaking. Nothing's leaking. All right. I'm gonna be very, 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 very clean. It's nice and chill. And I don't know what else to say about that. So actually, that wasn't too bad. I was worried that I would be the one person that couldn't install this, but I could, which means the rest of you could. I really like it so far. I've obviously only had it for several minutes, but it does feel very clean. It was very easy to install. The only issue that I had was I don't think that the hardware was well represented in the photos online, because while the tone was the same, it was more brushed effect than it was like an opaque. I don't mind that. I think it looks cool. I think it really lends itself to my bathroom, but thanks, Floof. You're great. Thank you for your help. But I want to let other people know, in case they were looking for something very, very specific, what they were about to get themselves into. I recommend this so far. I will give you an update if you are interested in it after I've had it for a period of time. But so far, I really like it. I think it looks very clean and slick. It doesn't look like an old lady bathroom. And yeah, I think it works well. Thank you so much for watching this very strange video today, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.